the 45th President of the United States has never lacked the company of women. But who has he dated and how many times has he been married? Donald met Czech model and athlete Ivana Zelníková at a New York bar in 1976 while she was visiting the city from Montreal. They dated for a few months and married in Easter in 1977, after Donald made her sign a prenup that gave her $20,000 for each year they were to be married. As Donald's fortune grew, so did his desire for a large family. He reportedly wanted 5 children. Then I will know that one will be guaranteed to turn out like me, Vanity Fair reports him saying. 9 months after the wedding, the couple's first son, Donald Jr., was born, followed by daughter Rivka and second son Eric Trump. It was rumored Trump was giving Ivana a $250,000 cash bonus for each of the children she birthed. Ivana left Donald in 1991 amid rumors he was having an affair with ex-beauty queen Marla Maples, who he'd met in 1989. Donald wasted no time with his second wife, marrying her in December 1993, 2 months after their daughter Tiffany. Marla, a TV personality who would go on to co-host Trump's Miss Universe pageant, also starred in several films, including Maximum Overdrive and Executive Decision. They separated in May 1997 and finalized their divorce in 1999. Melania Nostrump. Model Melania was born in Slovenia to a communist father and pattern-maker mother. Her lifelong dream was to model, and she started posing aged 5 for catalogs. She met Trump at a Fashion Week party in 1998, while he was on a date with another woman. He sent his date to the bathroom so he could flirt with Melania, but she refused to give him her number, and didn't go on a date with him until 3 months later. As well as speaking 6 different languages, Slovenian, French, English, German, Italian and Serbian, Melania has her own fashion and jewelry line and is the mother to Trump's youngest child, 10-year-old Barron. Who else has Trump dated? Gabriela Sabatini. The Argentinian tennis champion was at the top of her game when she met Donald, who was on a break from his then-mistress Marla. Their fling only lasted a month before he returned to his future second wife. In 1990 Donald Trump met with Rowan Brewer-Lane. The model met Trump at one of his many pool parties when she was 26. And the two launched into a whirlwind romance after the businessman asked whether Rowan would like to borrow a swimsuit. He reportedly told her, "That's a stunning Trump girl right there," when she'd come back out to the pool wearing her borrowed costume. When, 1991 Trump met with Carla Bruni. Despite being involved with Marla, Donald pursued the eventual First Lady of France after she split from Mick Jagger. Carla has denied these reports, but Trump has said she tried to get me to leave Marla, something I had in mind anyway, and she was using every psychological. In the end, Carla became a woman who is very difficult to even like, he added. Allison Giannini in 1997. Allison met Donald during his separation from second wife Marla, when he was 50 and she 27. They were set up on a blind date by a mutual friend, but their brief romance soon fizzled out. During their time together, he talked about Marla and how much he loved her, said Allison. When, 1998 Donald met with Jackie Siegel. Socialite Jackie, who starred in the recession-era property porn documentary Queen of Versailles, was briefly involved with Trump back in the late 90s. She claims they were never serious, but went on a couple of dates after he invited her to his parties. She supported his electoral campaign in 2016 and once said of Trump, "He's a really great person. So much charisma. I'm so glad that we're still friends." When, 2001 Donald Trump met with Kara Young. The supermodel was engaged to gossip columnist Taj Benza around the time she met Trump. There was audio of her calling into Howard Stern's Shock Jock radio show to explain the love triangle minutes after Donald himself had told listeners he and I know a lot of things are said about him, but to me he's a great, great guy.